Hello everyone and welcome back. I have a new tutorial and that is about cards and end screens. So most of you guys already know what these are, but for those who don't, cards are those you see on the upper right corner of your screen while the video is playing, suggesting your other content or playlist or link. While end screens are those you see before the video ends, and when you click on that, you will be directed to another video or playlist or link. So let's start with adding your cards and end screen during or while you are uploading your video, and just continue with your usual process. So again, you have to fill out the details of the video you are uploading. And the second step will be the monetization if you are a monetized channel. Or if you are not a monetized channel yet, your second step will be adding elements. I won't do the monetization for now, so we can focus on the video elements. So let's do the add and end screen first. So just click on add. And then on this page, there are 6 available templates for you to choose from. And I personally prefer the last one because I want to add a video and a playlist that's related to what I'm uploading, plus my logo where my viewers can subscribe. So click on your chosen template, and this is how the number 6 template placement looks like. And then for your videos, you have 3 options. For most recent upload and best for viewer, YouTube will do the work for you. I always opt for the last one because, like I said, I want to add a content related to my uploads. And then it will bring me to this page, and I'm just going to choose another video tutorial. Next is the playlist option, so just click on the pen icon, and then I'm going to choose the tutorial playlist. And then you have your logo as well on the middle right side of the screen. So my video is 3 minutes and 27 seconds long, and as you can see here, my end screens will appear at around 3 minutes and 7 seconds mark. So there's 20 seconds exposure, but it will cover whatever it is remaining on my video. So I want to adjust it so the viewers could get to enjoy the rest of the video. To do that, just point your mouse here and drag your elements at a later part of your video. For me, I want it to appear 10 seconds before my video ends. And do the same for the other elements and click save. Next is add cards, so just click on add, and then you have the options of adding a video, a playlist, a channel, or a link for your cards. So let's say you want to add a video, just click on the plus sign and then choose a related video to what you are uploading. And then on the timestamp section, adjust or fix it depending on what time you want it to appear on your video. So for my first card, I want it to appear after 30 seconds of playing. So this is how your cards look like, and when your viewers click on it, they will see the thumbnail and the title of your video. Click on the plus sign here or here if you want to add more cards. By the way, the number of elements available depends on how long your video is, so the longer the video, the more elements you have. Please don't skip this step when you are uploading. Why? Because when your viewers find your content interesting, they would probably look for another video, so why not help them instead, yeah? And it's important that your cards and end screens are related to your video because, you know. Click on save once you're done and proceed with your upload. If you want to add an end screen and cards on your old videos, just go to YouTube Studio and then click on content, and then click on the pen icon. So you can edit your end screen and cards right there. Just click on the pen icon and follow the same procedure. This also applies if you are using a mobile phone. Just open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com, and again follow the same procedure. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. See you again soon. Bye!